Welcome to Special T. In this video, we'll show you how to use our speech-to-text feature, which helps you convert speech directly into SOAP note format, designed to help you record professional therapy notes quickly, accurately, and with ease. This feature is available in both sessions and assessments, anywhere you need to capture medical notes, observations, feedback, or home program suggestions. To begin, start a session or an assessment as you normally would. You'll be reminded of the therapy areas you're working on, the activities planned for the session. When you're ready to record your notes, tap the Notes button. At the bottom right of the Notes screen, you'll see the Transcribe button. Tap this to open the speech-to-text feature. Now, simply click Start Recording and begin speaking. You can talk naturally and share as much detail as you like about the session, including medical notes, observations, clinical findings, feedback or homework suggestions for parents or clients. For example, you might say, "Bob came to therapy today feeling a little tired after a long day at school and needed some time to regulate before he was ready to play. He started in a hammock and was able to climb into a 2-point hammock, pulling the pulley rope on each side to swing himself from left to right. This was very regulating for him, as he finds linear movement calming and organizing." The app records everything as you speak, so your hands stay free and your focus stays on your patient. Once you're finished speaking, tap Stop, then select Transcribe. Special T will instantly convert your recording into written text, which you'll see displayed below. You can review the transcription, make edits if needed, add additional information. If you'd like to convert your transcription into a different format, tap the down arrow. You'll be able to choose how your notes are structured, including General Notes, a cleaned-up version of your transcription. SOAP Notes, automatically formatted into Subjective, Objective, Assessment, Plan. Burp Notes, automatically formatted into Behavior, Intervention, Response, Plan. DAP Notes, automatically formatted into Data, Assessment, Plan, Visibility, and Saving. Next, choose who should see the note, therapist only or shared for both therapists and clients. Once selected, tap Save. At any point, before or after your notes, you can upload photos, videos, and documents to complete your session notes. When you're ready to complete, select the therapy areas you worked on, confirm your session, add fees if needed, assign exercises, plan for the next session. Special T's speech-to-text feature is built to save you time. All you need to do is talk. Your notes are captured, transcribed, and formatted into professional, easy-to-read records. Less admin, more time for therapy. That's Special T.